Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is my Bathua spinach which I grew from seeds. Bathua is a rich source of fiber and also known to be a blood purifier. These seeds I received from another YouTuber friend from Birmingham, Tanzania. Thanks a lot. You can see these small black seeds here. I just spreaded these seeds into my pot and wrapped it for a week. After a week you can see, after a week it started germinating. You can use Bathua to make spinach normal plain recipe, or you can prepare Bathua puri or Bathua paratha. It took 1 month to grow this big. You can prepare lots of dishes. Definitely I'll share few recipes soon. Some Bathua became so tall and you can see some are still growing. Bathua is a powerhouse of vitamin A, C and B, along with being rich in essential minerals and antioxidants. It's very easy to grow spinach. You can cut the stem, eat it, and the side branch will come out from there. Thanks for watching. I'll come back with lots more new gardening videos. So see you later in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.